Hey guys, welcome to Coupon Hacks. This is Karna and welcome to my channel. So this is my CVS haul for today. These are the deals as of this week. That's November 17th until the 23rd. And Crash Card deal is pretty awesome this week, guys. So if you need household items, snacks, and laundry detergent, then this is the best week for you to take advantage of that deal. And I'm going to share with you what I got today. And I am also going to show you how I saved money today at CVS, as well as we will be saving money together. So I'm so excited about that. So let's go and jump into the deals. So I'm going to start with the freebie of the week. That is the soft soap hand soap that is on sale this week. That's $1.99. And then all of us we are going to be getting $1 instant coupon from the Redbox machine. So before shopping, guys, don't forget to scan your card so you will be able to print all those CRTs. And after the coupon, we are gonna pay 99 cents. However, we are gonna get $1 extra bucks back. So after extra bucks, this is gonna be free. We have a great deal from L'Oreal Elvive. It is on sale this week, 2 for $8. And if you will buy 2, you will get a $3 extra bucks back. And we do have a manufactured coupon that we can use with this deal. So we have a $3 manufactured coupon from our November 17th Retail Me Not insert. So use that $3 coupon. And then don't forget to check your app, because we also have a 50-cent app for the Elvive shampoo and 50-cent send to app coupon for the Elvive conditioner. So after all the coupons applied, we are gonna pay $4, or we are gonna roll our extra bucks, pay $4, and then get back $3 in extra bucks. So final price would be $1 or 50 cents each. Another great deal this week is also the Nature's Bounty vitamins. I got the vitamin C, which is $7.99, and it is buy one get one free. And if you will buy 2, you will get a $2 extra bucks back. So I got 2 vitamin C, that is $7.99, and then the other one is free. And then I used a $1 manufactured coupon from our Retail Me Not insert 106. So I only have one, so I used one. And then if you have a vitamin C, or if you have a vitamin CRT, you can also pair that with this deal to make your out-of-pocket low. However, I don't have it, so I have a total after coupons of $6.99. So I rolled my extra bucks and paid $6.99, and then I got $2 in extra bucks back. So after the final price for both will only be $4.99 or $2.49 each. One of my favorite deals this week is the Wet n Wild gift set. It is buy one, get an $8 extra bucks back, and that's a limit of 3. So if you will buy one, you pay $9.98, and then you will get back $8 in extra bucks back. So the final price for this would be $1.99. However, I do have a great scenario for you if you have a 3 of 12 cosmetic CRT. So you can buy 2 and then use the 3 of 12 cosmetic CRT and then pay $16.98, and then you will get $16 in extra bucks back. So the final price for both gift sets will only be 98 cents or 49 cents each. We have a great deal from Nexxus this week. Nexxus is spend 20, get a $10 extra bucks back. Plus, we have a manufactured coupon that we can use to make this deal even better. And so if you will check your app, we have 2 Nexxus send to app coupons. So don't forget to send that to your app. Or you can also print the coupon online through coupons.com. I will be putting that in the link below. So the deal here is you can get buy one Nexxus, that is for $21.48, any shampoo and conditioner. And then if you have a 4 of 18 shampoo, you can use that. Plus use one manufactured coupon for $5. You can just use the send to app coupon. So after all the coupons combined, we only have to pay $12.49, but then we are gonna get a $10 extra bucks back. So that will only come out as $2.49 for the Belvita biscuits are on sale this week. That's two for $6. And if you will buy two, you will get a $2 extra bucks back. So what you can do here to take advantage of this deal is get two Belvita biscuits and then pay $6, and then you will get $2 in extra bucks back. Plus, check your checkout 51, guys, because we have a $2 rebate for Belvita. So you submit your receipt to checkout 51, and also check your Savings Star because we also have a dollar rebate from Savings Star. So make sure that you clip that to your card. So I don't have the checkout 51 rebate, but I do have the $1 um, Savings Star rebate. So I hope that I don't know why I don't have that Belvita rebate in my checkout 51 app. However, if you do have it, guys, don't forget to submit your receipt to checkout 51. So after all the final rebates, price here will be only $2 or $1 for both. So that's really a great deal. Remember, we don't pay for toothpaste and mouthwashes, so this week is the best time to take advantage of that deal because we have a $5 send to app coupon for Crest. So here is the breakdown. So in this scenario, I picked up three Crest Scope toothpaste that is 4 ounce. That's $3.99 each at my store. Other store varies, but just choose the 4 ounce Crest toothpaste and also get one Colgate Max. So we have a total for the Crest is $11.97, and for the Colgate Max we have $2.99. So we have a total before coupons of $14.96. And we are gonna send to app the $5 Crest coupon. So make sure, guys, that you have that in your app before going to the cashier. And then also use the 3 of 12 toothpaste CRT. A lot of us are getting that CRT if you still have that from last week. And also I also got one this week, guys, so you can also use the one from last week as long as it's not expired. So we have a total coupons of $8. So after coupons, we have a total of $6.98. So I rolled my extra bucks and paid $6.98. However, I got back $7 in extra bucks. That's $2 for the Colgate Max and $5 for the Scope toothpaste. So the final price for everything is free. And by the way, if you don't have the 3 of 12 toothpaste CRT, then that's not a problem. So what you can do to take advantage of this deal is buy 3 of the Crest Scope 4 ounce toothpaste. That's $3.99 each. And if you will buy 3, we have a total after before coupons of $11.97. And then use the $5 send to app coupon in your app. So that will deduct $5. And then we have a total of $6.97. However, we are gonna get $5 in extra bucks back. So after extra bucks, the final price for this will only be $1.97 or 65 cents each. So that is still a great price, guys. And by the way, guys, just a heads up that there is also another Crest that's part of the deal. It's around $2.69, this kind of Crest. But so if you will still buy 3, you will still get $5 in extra bucks back. However, the coupon will not work with this kind of Crest toothpaste. So just be careful, guys, because I almost got this one, but when I checked the coupon will not work with this. So we have a great deal with Listerine mouthwashes. So if you are brand loyal to Listerine, then now is the time to buy this brand. So it is on sale, or it is not on sale, but it is on promotion. That's spend 10, get a $5 extra bucks back. Plus we have a dollar manufactured coupon in our app. We also have a dollar manufactured coupon from coupons.com. So you can you can buy the big bottle, which is $6.99, plus a smaller bottle, which is at around $3.69 or $3.69. So that's a total of $10.68 approximately. But other store varies, guys, so you can just adjust your computation. And then use the $1 manufactured coupon from coupons.com or through our app. And then use the 2 of 10 Listerine toothpaste. I mean Listerine mouthwash. So after coupons, we have a balance of $7.68, but then we will get $5 in extra bucks back. So the final price for both will be $2.68 or $1.34 each. And by the way, just a heads up that if you also have a mouthwash CRT, then you can also use that with this deal. We also have an awesome deal from Revlon this week that is spend 10, get a $4 extra bucks back, and that is a limit of 6. So if you still have that $5 Revlon from last week, you can use that. So I took advantage of that deal. So I got two Revlon lip gloss that's $5.29 each at my store. That's a total of $10.58. And then I used the $5 CRT from last week. I don't have the manufactured coupon, guys, but if you have the manufactured coupon, take advantage of that together with the CRT, and then you can do this deal 6 times. So what I did is I got 2 Revlon lip gloss that is $5.29 each at my store. That is a total of $10.58 before coupons for both, and then I used the $5 Revlon CRT from last week, so I have a total of $5.58. I paid $5.58 and then got back $4 in extra bucks back. So the total for both is only $1.58 or 79 cents each. I do have another scenario here if you have a 3 of 12 cosmetic CRT, so you can combine that. So what you can do here is you can get 2 Revlon lip gloss for $5.29 each, and that's a total of $10.58 for both. And then you can get 2 paparazzi nail polish for $5. So before coupons, we have a total of $15.58. And then these are the CRTs that you're going to use. We are going to use the 3 of 12 cosmetic CRT and the $5 Revlon CRT. So that will take off $8. So we have a total of $7.58. However, we are going to get back $8 in extra bucks back, $4 for the Revlon and $4 for the paparazzi nail polish. So the final price for all these items would be free plus a 42-cent moneymaker. And lastly, we have the cash card deal. So if you will check on the first page of the weekly ad, you will see that there are a lot of items that are included. So I suggest you can check on those items or whatever you need in your household. We have food items, and we have laundry detergent as well as paper products. Plus, we do have a lot of CRTs that we have received. We have the 3 of 10 food CRT. We also have the 3 of 10 laundry detergent CRT, and we have the 10 of 40 household CRT. So you can choose whatever you need, whatever you want to do, guys. But I do have 2 scenarios here on how you can take advantage of those CRTs. So here is the breakdown. In this scenario, I got 1 Gain Flings that is $4.94, 1 Tide Pods for $4.94, 1 Tide detergent, the bigger bottle, that is $11.94, and then 1 Scott toilet paper for $7.99. So before coupons, we have a total of $29.81, and these are the CRTs and coupons that we used. If you have the 3 of 12 laundry CRT, you can use that in this scenario. And then if you also have the 2 of 8 toilet paper CRT, then you can use that. And then everything else are all send to app coupons. We have make sure you clip the $2 off Gain, $3 off Tide, and $2 off Tide pods. So after coupons, we have a balance of $17.81. So you can roll your extra bucks, or you can pay $17.81, and then you will get $10 cash card. So the final price for all of these will only be $7.81 or $1.95 each. I do have another scenario for you guys because I also received the 10 of 40 household CRT. So if you don't want to know, if you don't know what to do with that and what products to get, so here is the scenario on what you can do with that. I picked up two Scott paper towel. That's $7.99 each. So that's a total of $50.98. And then you can get one Gain Flings for $4.94, one Tide Pods for $4.94, one Tide detergent, the big bottle, for $11.94. And I picked up the Tide detergent for $5.94. It's a little expensive because I don't have um, any paper coupons. All of these are sent to app coupons. However, if you have a paper coupon, guys, so you can just choose the cheaper if you have a paper coupon, if you have either the Gain coupon or the Tide Pods coupon, then you can just choose you can just get the Tide Pods or Gain Flings, because this is a little cheaper. It's $4.94. So after or before coupons, I have a total of 43.94, and then these are the coupons that I used. 50 cents for Scott paper towel. I only have, I know, 50 cents for Scott toilet paper. I only have one because everything is sent to app. And then I also used the 2 sent to app Gain, the $2 Tide Pods, $3 Tide detergent, and then the $2 sent to app for Tide. And then I used the 10 of 40 household CRT. So after everything and all the coupons, I have a total right now of $24.44. However, I got $10 in extra bucks back. I mean, $10 cash card. So the final price is only $14.44, or $2.40 each. So it's up to you guys. You can just choose whatever you need in your household, and you can just choose. For me, the first scenario is better. However, I also did this transaction with my other card because I have the 10 of 40, and I have all the, I don't have any paper coupons, so I'm just relying everything in the app. So however, you can just mix and match and do whatever works for you, and choose a transaction that will give you a lower out of pocket. So that's it, guys. This is my CVS haul as of this week, and I hope that I was able to help you save in my own little ways, and you'll find value in this video. You can subscribe to my channel. I promise that I'll be uploading more videos where you can save money every week in all these stores. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and see you again in my next video. Bye.